Hi everyone, today we have a new job. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad T480. So as per customer, if he presses the power button, that's my power button, here it is, nothing happens. And yeah, so let me insert my charger. Let's see if it is taking power. Yeah, it is taking power, as you can see over here. So by inserting my charger, as you can see, it's taking 20 volts, 53 milliamps, 54 milliamps. That means the laptop is not taking power, or at least the controller sees something wrong in the board, which preventing it to take all the power or all the voltage inside the board. So let me disassemble the unit, and I will get back. So the cover is out. Now let us see with our multimeter, make some tests. Yeah, of course we have to remove the internal battery also. This T480 does have double battery, it's inside, and the other one which is removable. Putting my multimeter to continuity mode, and let me zoom in to see more. Here we have, in this situation, first I'm gonna test for the main power rail if there is something wrong. So as I assume, the main power rail is like over here. The main power rail is like over here. Oh, what do you know? Haha, come on. I just tested the main power rail. Yeah, this one is the main power rail, right? Let me see those. Oh, come on, you can't see. Let me show it to you under the microscope. It will be better. So, yeah, what I'm testing is over here. Okay, so over here we have a big short. This capacitor is directly to the processor, and there is no problem with it, as you can see. So over here, this one is the main power rail capacitor. Let me see another capacitor on the main power rail. For example, if we check, yeah, if we check over here. So this is a power sector coil, positive MOSFET, negative MOSFET. So that means this capacitor is directly connected to the main power rail, and yeah, it is confirmed. The main power rail is shorted. Here we have another capacitor. The main power rail is shorted. So the thing is how to test which component is defective. So we can do it by the use of our thermal cam. So we're gonna use first our thermal cam as the first trial. Let's see. Let's hope it will detect or detect the defective component. Yeah, of course. Let me first test coils. If there is any coil shorted, this one is good. This one is good. It's good. Good. How about this? Good. What else? Here, all good. All good. So all the codes are good. Let me put my power supply to 1.5 volts. How about this? Okay. Like this. How about 25? And now this is a reflection. It's taking around 1.1 amps, but I can't find. Oh, where is it? Oh, no, it's here. Now it's a reflection. Okay, no problem. Let me disassemble the board and see under it. I'm going to take the board out to see where the problem might be. Do we have any more screws over here? No? Oh yeah, we have the keyboard, of course. Let's remove the keyboard. Okay, keyboard removed. That means the board should be removed easily. Now the board is removed, and what do I see here? Let me show it to you. It's so obvious. We have a huge problem on the input. What's that? Come on. What is that? 7153. I should remember that because I need to insert another MOSFET instead of it. Let me remove it first. It's 7153. Let me write that down. I'm gonna search for it in a moment. This MOSFET is gone. But here I have another problem, that because of this MOSFET, it might be burned the board and made the layers connect together. I hope it's not our case. Let's see. Okay, so the MOSFET is out. Come on. This track is destroyed. This track is destroyed. But anyway, let's see if we still have the short. Yeah, we still have a short. So we still have a short, but we don't know where this short can be. Okay, I'm gonna remove the heatsink, everything on the board. I just want to see where will it lead me. Yeah, so the heatsink is out. Here we have my thermal camera. I'm inserting the power right now. Let's see if we can see where the heat or which component is defected. Yeah, seems like nothing from over here. It doesn't seem like so. We have nothing. 23 degrees. It's nothing. Nothing. Over here, nothing. So it's all light reflection. How about we go to the other side? Here we have the processor. It's good. Here we have something in common. Okay. Okay. What is that? Is that a burned capacitor? Wow, it's a burned capacitor. Let me remove it. Let's see. Let's see now. Do we still have any shorts? Back again to my capacitor. Yeah, see, I'm testing all over the capacitor. The short is gone. I don't have short anymore. But I need to replace this MOSFET. I still need to replace this MOSFET. It is burned. It does have a problem. It's a P-channel MOSFET, 30 volts. Yeah, that is it. So it says a P-channel MOSFET. It can hold about 100 amps. So yeah, as per the data sheet, this MOSFET is 7153 actually. It is a P-channel MOSFET. So right now I'm searching for the same size, almost same characteristics. I do have this MOSFET. Let me grab a tweezer. Which number it is? 7409. Let me check it for 7409. As per the data sheet, my MOSFET 7409 is a P-channel MOSFET that can hold about 128 amps. Great. So I'm gonna solder it on the board and we'll try after that, right? So now after I resolder the gate for this MOSFET, I made sure that it is in a good shape somehow. Let me reassemble up the board actually, and we'll see if it will boot up, right? I hope we can get a picture right now. And I hope that this is only the issue, or this is the only issue that we have. Nothing else to search for. As it seems it has the worst day, this laptop, yeah? Just inserting some cables. I don't want to insert everything. Not right now. Until I finish, I will do it. Where's the battery? I always lose the battery. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So here is the battery. Inserting it. Yeah. Do we have? Can we get a picture? The laptop is on. Will it stay on? Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. No problem. Yeah. Turn off. Let me reassemble the unit, and I'll get back. Now I reassembled the whole board. I even put some thermal paste on the processor. Time to reinsert the power, and yeah, I need to also insert the keyboard. Batteries, 8% battery. Wow. 0% on the battery number 2, which is the external one. Battery number 1 is 45%, but it's not charging. Will it charge? Well, actually, the laptop is withdrawing about 1.7 to 2 amps, then it drops down. That means it's trying to charge the second battery, but it's not responding. Alright, no problem. Let me turn off the laptop for a moment. Let me test the charging. Let's see what's wrong with this. It should charge, you know. There's no problem. Yeah, there's no problem in our batteries. Charging charger. Will it charge? Yeah, right now it is charging. So whenever I insert this battery and try to charge, it's not charging. Okay, let me reassemble the laptop again. So in this situation, it seems that our battery is defected. So the customer can replace this battery. No harm can be done. Showing the battery. The battery says 48%, about 25 minutes to fully charge. That's good. It is taking about 1.1 amps. That's good. Yeah, 49%. So yeah, I can consider this laptop as a fix. Of course, I'm gonna tell the customer about the battery that he should replace. But what a job, right? I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and I will see you on another job. Bye.